Hail and floods hit Canada May 9, 2023. A string of extreme weather events that have hit Canada in recent years have had an impact on residents, including wildfires, floods, and most recently hail. Netizens reported seeing hail in their area, such as in the area of Calgary, Okotoks, Schuler, Huxley, Spruce Grove, Millwoods, and many others.
Wow! Look at the car. Stay behind the door.
Hail nearly 2 inches in diameter was reported in the area. In a stunning display of nature's fury, a hail hit some parts of Canada and leaving a wild trail in its wake. In addition, the heavy rain accompanied by hail also caused flooding in the Okotoks area. The hail was so strong enough that the electricity went out in some areas, leaving residents without power for several hours. Emergency services are working tirelessly to repair the damage caused by the hurricane, but it may be a while before things return to normal. Scientists have warned that climate change is making these extreme weather events more frequent and severe, and that urgent action is needed to address the root causes of the problem.
Over the past